Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, sales manager here. Today I've got an application spotlight to go over with you on this machine right behind me. Plastics recyclers, as well as compounders, frequently manufacture material in thousands of pounds per hour. And one of the challenges that we hear when we are discussing with them is they don't often have the ability to see what their throughput rate is at any given time of finished product. They understand what their feedstock rate is going in, and they understand what their end product is totaling maybe after a shift or a week, but in real time, in the hour 3 of production, what is my current throughput rate? That's a question that's often unknown to them. And during those times, there's lulls in the production capacity of that line, either due to feedstock having troubles with that, screws and barrels getting worn out, screen changers that need to be changed out, cutter blades that are dull, and they're not able to rectify and correct some of those challenges with the production line in real time, and therefore the production line is not maximizing its ROI to that operator. Now, with one of our continuous batch weigh systems like you see behind me, we're able to provide that real-time information of what the throughput rate is of that production line. We're continuously monitoring the weight of material passing through our scale hopper. I'm going to identify that hopper as the middle one right here. The top hopper is our collection hopper. So after the material is pelletized, it's often pneumatically conveyed to the top of our tower where we collect it and we funnel it into our scale hopper. Once we've reached our scale hopper's weight and we eject it into the lower bin, material then passes on to another downstream process. Maybe it goes through a dedusting solution system, or potentially it just goes right to a silo or pack out station. All of the weight readings are held in the HMI and PLC, which you can see located on the stand. We provide what the actual weight is currently in the weigh bin, what the previous weigh bin's weight was, what your current shift weight was, what your previous shift weight was. We can provide a lot of different data points with the HMI. We can offer a simple SQL database so you can export it out into whatever data management solution that you've got in-house. So there's a lot of different things that can be observed in real time with one of the continuous batch weigh systems from us. We can scale these systems as large as 30,000 pounds an hour, like the one you see behind me, or as small as a few thousand pounds per hour, depending on what your process is, your material is, and what you're trying to incorporate into it. Frequently, we often add in other components to these stack ups like metal separation and dedusting. So we're giving a clean product after our system. So if you're in need of looking for a solution to see what your current real-time throughput rate is on your production line, we'd love to work with you in developing a custom solution for you. Please reach out to your sales engineer and like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.